Hello and welcome back to our series. We have done while loop in previous video. Let's see do while loop. We will make a static program here. Let's initialize int is equal to I is equal to 10. Let's print from 10 in increment order. Int is equal to 10. Then I want to make do I will print %d /t and I will print I, and I will increase I, and then after I will use while I is less than or equal to 20. Let's see talk about 20. Yes, let's compare with other loops. Let's see, when we initialize any loop, we have not terminate loops with semicolon in while or for loop, but in do while loop we will terminate with semicolon. Let's first run it and we will compare it. Let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What it will do? Let's compare it. Here it as if first it is initialize the value. It will print value first, either it is correct or not. It will not check any condition first, and it will increment the value. If incremented value is true for this while condition, then it will move to do loop again, otherwise it will break it. Let's look that example too. Let's say this is less than 10. For while and for loop it should not be print. Let's see what result we will get. Yes, we have get 10 is equal to 10 but not less than 10, but we have get result. In do while loop it will print the value first, means it will do the work in that value or anything first, and then it will increment. Then after condition will be checked. If it is less than or equal to, then it will print the value again. It will loop or exit from the loop. That is the difference between for do loop and while loop. In while loop we initialize value before while loop, and we will increment the value in the while loop. We can similarly we can reverse this. We can decrement to here. I will print here should be greater than 10. Debug and run it. Yes, 20, 19 and up to 11 it will print. This is what the for loop, while loop and do while loop we have done for looping or iteration statement. Thank you for watching this video.